According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, heart disease is the leading cause of death in the United States. In fact, one person in every 34 seconds dies in the United States from cardiovascular disease. If you are someone who usually does not pay attention to your hands, you may want to start. Whether there is an issue with your fingers, nails, palms, or beyond, your hands can display symptoms that serve as serious warning signs of heart trouble. Number 1. Painful finger lumps. If you have developed a tender, purple-pink, and painful lump on the fingers, especially at the tips, it could be a sign of infective endocarditis, a life-threatening inflammation of your heart chambers or blood vessels. Infective endocarditis is caused by a bacterial infection that spreads into your heart and blood vessels. These bumps, also known as Osler's nodes, develop due to inflammation in the blood vessels, which causes a bacterial infection in the dermis, or the middle layer of the skin, leading to more inflammation. Osler's nodes may clear up on their own within a couple of days. However, you still need to visit your doctor as soon as possible to determine if you have endocarditis and require treatment. Number 2. Red or purple lines under fingernail. Red or purple lines below your fingernails are a common symptom of splinter hemorrhage. These splinter hemorrhages form when tiny blood vessels along with nail beds are damaged. According to recent studies, if you have lines under your nails along with other symptoms like fever or irregular heartbeat, it could be a sign of a heart-related issue. Number 3. Fingernail clubbing. People who have clubbing experience swollen fingertips and downward curving fingernails. Usually, the angle between the nail plate and the soft tissue of the distal digit is 160 degrees or less. With clubbing, tissue proliferating under the nail plate causes this angle to increase to 180 degrees. It usually occurs when oxygen in the blood is low. This type of anatomy is most commonly seen in osteoarthritis, but if it is due to heart disease, it can start from the thumb and index fingers. When the heart suffers from infectious endocarditis, which is the infection of the lining of the heart chambers and valve, it reduces the amount of oxygen in the blood and leads to clubbing. Number 4. Waxy lumps on hands. Amyloidosis is a rare condition caused by the buildup of an irregular protein called amyloid in the heart, which can interfere with heart function. The resulting condition is referred to as stiff heart syndrome because amyloid deposits replace the heart muscles and make it difficult for the heart to function properly, and it may lead to cardiovascular cell signaling problems and abnormal heartbeat. This protein also inhibits the ability of heart chambers to fill with blood between beats. Therefore, less blood circulation in the body resulting in waxy lumps on the hands. If you observe these symptoms, immediately book an appointment with your doctor without hesitation. Number 5. Colored spots on the palm. Bluish red or brown patches on the palms are called Janeway lesions, caused by blood clots containing bacteria that lead to infection in the circulatory system. These discolored spots are painless and typically last for days to weeks. People usually visit a doctor when they feel sick, but it is better to take precautions, especially for heart-related issues. A recent study published in Clinical Cardiology shows that 80% of heart-related problems can be prevented by avoiding unhealthy lifestyle choices. Weight, diet, and smoking habits significantly increase a person's risk of cardiovascular disease. It is also important for your health to connect with a healthcare professional and have regular wellness exams. Talk to your doctor about your lifestyle, diet, cholesterol, blood pressure, and body mass index. Remember, this video is for educational purposes. We are not giving you medical advice. You should always consult your doctor if you need any professional opinion. Do you find this video helpful? If yes, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell notification button. Thank you so much, guys, for watching until the end. Have a blessed day, and as always, we care for you.